Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system. At the tone, please record your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up or press 1 for more options.
Hey, it's me again. I hate to, leave so many voicemails, but I haven't, when you haven't heard from someone in like 5 months, I don't know. I've had a lot of time to think about what you said about, upping my medication. I think it's a good idea. I think, coming clean about the things I've been doing. I've been doing a lot of research. I've, found a lot of stuff out. Things that, I was kind of hoping I could tell you in person, during a session. Feels like I can trust you considering you haven't, ratted me out yet. But yeah, I'd like to meet in person. I'd hate to have to find another therapist. I don't know if I could find someone to be as weirdly understanding as you have been. So, yeah, just give me a call. Maybe you can. And, hopefully we can schedule another appointment.